Thank you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with the Blind Guy. My name's David. I'm 100% blind 100% of the time. Today we're going to be doing a chicken enchilada recipe in a electric skillet. So here's what you're going to need. You're of course going to need your electric skillet. You're going to need a 10-pack of flour tortillas. You're going to need 1 onion diced. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of cumin. You're going to need a 10-ounce can of Rotel, 2 small cans of diced jalapenos, 1 can cream of chicken soup, 1 can cream of mushroom soup, and 8 ounces of sour cream, a half a block of cream cheese, and of course a pound of chicken. First, you're going to dice your onions and put those in a skillet with 1 can of diced jalapenos, and you're going to cook that until it's golden brown. While you're doing that, you can be boiling your chicken. Once your onion and jalapenos are done, you can get them out of the skillet off the heat and put them in a bowl and set it aside. Once your chicken's done, you're going to go ahead and pull it out and shred it. I've already shredded mine just to save time. Now, grab you another mixing bowl, and we are going to mix our cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, also your 8 ounces of sour cream, you're going to put your 2nd can of diced jalapenos, and you're going to do 3 spoonfuls of the Rotel. All right, so 1, 2, 3, which ends up being roughly about half the can. Okay. And we're gonna mix all that up real good together. Actually, I'm gonna be lazy and use the hand mixer. Aside, and I need that spatula back. Alright, you're going to take just enough of this sauce mix to coat the bottom of your skillet. That way gives it something so it doesn't burn. Alright. That's good enough. Now you're going to set the rest of it aside for now. Then you're going to pick up your shredded chicken, which again I've already pre-shredded. You're going to take your half a block of cream cheese, add that to it. You're going to take the rest of your Rotel, and then you're going to take your sauteed jalapenos and onion, and finally your 2 teaspoons of cumin. And again, we're going to come back with the hand mixer and go ahead and get all that mixed up. that seems pretty well mixed. Alright, so now we're gonna start making our enchiladas. Alright, I wear gloves because it just makes it easier. If you want to use a spoon, you can use a spoon, but you just want to sit there and put just enough where you can fold it on your left and right side, flip the corner closest to you over, and then finish rolling it over. And there you go. And then you're just going to want to place that in your skillet and repeat until you've got them all done. So let's see here. All right. That's 2 down. There's 3. This might not make all 10, might only make 8. Just depends on how full you like your enchiladas. So that's 5. All right, let's make sure we get it all around the edge. Don't waste any. All right. Let's see. All right. I'll have enough for 1 more, it looks like. So it does about 8 for this recipe, the way I'm stuffing them. All right. Now, once you got those in there, you're gonna come back to your sauce and go ahead and put the rest of that on top. And you will have to forgive me. I believe I forgot to mention with what you need, that you need 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So, once you get that spread on top, then you're gonna grab your cheese, which I think I left it somewhere over here. There it is. And you're gonna sprinkle it on top. Now, you're gonna set the temperature of your skillet to 250 degrees. And this is gonna cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, served with some Mexican rice and a stout margarita, and that's dinner. Thanks again, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.